Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a type of letter that's both important and urgent: a police complaint letter. This letter is typically written to formally report a crime or an incident to the police. Today, I'll walk you through an example of a complaint letter regarding theft and break it down step by step. We'll discuss what each section should include, why it's important, and how to present the details in a clear and professional way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to craft a strong police complaint letter. Let's jump right in, starting with the sender's details. At the top of your letter, always start with your own details, like this. Jessica Reed, 2467 Oak Street, Orlando, Florida 32801. Phone 407-555-7821. Email jessica.reed@email.com. This section provides the police with the information they'll need to identify you and contact you for updates or further questions. Let's break it down. 1. Your full name. This identifies who is filing the complaint. 2. Your address. Always include your current address so the police know where to send correspondence. 3. Phone number and email. These ensure the police have quick ways to reach you if they need more information. Including all this information up front makes your letter look professional and organized. Adding the date. Next is the date, November 30th, 2024. The date is a simple but important detail. It establishes a clear timeline for when the complaint was filed. Always write the full date in a standard format to avoid confusion, especially since formal complaints often become part of legal records. Addressing the letter. After the date, include the recipient's details. In this case, Jessica addresses her letter to the Chief of Police, Orlando Police Department, 1250 West South Street, Orlando, Florida 32805. This section specifies who the letter is intended for. If you're writing to a specific officer or department, include their name or title, followed by the name and address of the police station. For instance, if you've been assigned a case officer, you could address it directly to them, including a subject line. The subject line summarizes the purpose of the letter. Complaint regarding theft incident on November 28, 2024. A strong subject line is direct and specific. It immediately tells the recipient what the letter is about, ensuring it gets directed to the right department or officer. Use this format: complaint regarding type of incident on date. This clarity is crucial for efficient processing. The salutation. Next comes the salutation. Jessica uses, "Dear Sir, Madam." This is a polite and formal way to address the letter, especially if you're unsure of the recipient's name. If you know the name of the officer or official you're writing to, you can personalize it with their title and last name, like Dear Chief Reynolds or Dear Officer Smith. Beginning the letter. The first paragraph explains the purpose of the letter. I am writing to formally file a complaint regarding a theft incident that occurred on November 28, 2024, at approximately 6:30 p.m. near Lake Eola Park in downtown Orlando. Let's break it down. The purpose of the letter. Jessica clearly states she is filing a complaint. Details of the incident. She mentions the date, time, and location of the theft. When writing your own complaint, make this opening as specific as possible. Details like the exact time and location help the police start their investigation. Describing the incident. In the next paragraph, Jessica describes what happened. As I was walking through the park, an individual approached me from behind and forcibly snatched my handbag containing my wallet, phone, and personal identification documents. The individual fled the scene immediately. Several bystanders witnessed the incident, and I have their contact information for your investigation. This paragraph provides a clear chronological account of the incident. 1. What happened? Her handbag was snatched. 2. What was stolen? She lists key items like her wallet, phone, and ID documents. Additional information. She mentions witnesses and their contact details. When describing an incident, Be concise, but include enough detail for the police to understand the situation. Listing the stolen items. Jessica then lists the stolen items in a bullet point format. A black leather handbag. Driver's license issued in Florida. Credit cards from Bank of America and Chase. Approximately $200 in cash. This format is clear and easy to read. When you write your list, be as specific as possible. Include details like brand names, colors, or unique identifying features of the stolen items. This makes it easier for the police to identify or recover them. Mentioning previous steps taken. The next paragraph highlights the actions Jessica has already taken. I filed an initial report with Officer Daniel Smith, who responded to the scene, and my case reference number is 202-41128-4567. However, I have not received any updates regarding the status of the investigation, and I would like to know if there has been any progress in identifying the suspect. This section is crucial for showing you've already taken steps to address the issue. Include 1. The name of the officer you spoke with. 2. Your case reference number. 3. Any concerns or questions about the investigation's progress. This information ensures your letter gets connected to the right case. Requesting action. Jessica then makes her request. I kindly request that this matter be given priority due to the sensitive nature of the stolen documents. Please let me know if further information or clarification is required from my side. You can reach me at 407-555-7821 or via email at jessica.reed@email.com. This paragraph does a few things. 1. Requests priority handling. She explains why the case is urgent. 2. Offers to cooperate. Jessica is willing to provide additional information. 3. Provides contact details. She ensures the police can easily reach her. When writing your own request, stay polite, but emphasize the importance of the case. Closing the letter. Jessica concludes with, "Thank you for your time and attention to this matter. I trust in the department's commitment to justice and hope for a swift resolution." This is a respectful way to end the letter. It expresses gratitude and confidence in the police department, which helps maintain a positive tone. The signature. Finally, Jessica signs off with, "Sincerely, Jessica Reed." Always use a formal sign-off for official letters. Follow it with your full name to make it clear who is filing the complaint. And that's how you write a police complaint letter. To summarize, start with your personal information. Clearly state the purpose of the letter. Describe the incident in detail. List stolen items clearly and specifically. Mention any previous actions taken, like filing a report. Politely request further action and provide your contact details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from writing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.